guys, so I've had a number of you ask me about question number 4 on page 693, so I figured I would go over it with you, okay? So we have this, this Venn diagram, and we have to turn it into a two-way table, okay? And then we also have to figure out relative frequencies, and we need to do that, it looks like, by column, okay? So what does that mean? Well, let's look at our Venn diagram first, okay? So it looks like we're comparing people that jog and people that do aerobics, okay? And so that's what our rows and columns are going to be, jogging and aerobics. You also need to make sure that you have total columns and total rows. So if you look at this, this two-way table up here, there's a column for total and there's a row for total. So let's go ahead and put that in first. And then it doesn't matter which one you decide is going to be jogging, if you want to put jogging across or jogging up and down, or aerobics. It doesn't matter, okay? So just pick one. I'm going to put aerobics for my rows. So I'm going to do aerobics, no aerobics, okay? I'm going to put jogging and no jogging, okay? That's how that's going to work. So it always goes aerobics, no aerobics, jog, no jog. Okay, if you look at this one up here, right, it was cell phone, no cell phone, MP3, no MP3. That's when you're comparing two things, okay, and that's what this is. We only have two of them. All right, so now we're just going to go fill in the numbers, okay? So how many people do both aerobics and jogging? That number is going to go right here, and it looks like, in our Venn diagram, that's an 8, okay? How many people do aerobics but don't jog? That's going to be that 13. And if I add across, if I can add today, that's going to be 21. All right, who does no aerobics but just jogs? So just my joggers, no aerobics. That's going to be that 24. And who does neither one? No aerobics, no jogging. That's the 5. Okay. So there's my 29. If I add going straight down, it looks like I've got 50. So let's go double check this side. So 8 and 24 makes 32. 13 and 5 is 18. And if I add 32 and 18, I get a 50. Nice. All right, so now I got to get my calculator ready because now I have to do relative frequencies, and it says by column, okay? And so when we go down, we're going to do jogging and aerobics, so 8 out of the 32 people. So I'm going to do 8 divided by 32, 24 divided by 32, okay? 13 divided by 18, and then 5 divided by 18. Okay, again, going all the way down, okay? 21 divided by 50, 29 divided by 50. So let's go get those numbers. I'm just going to do some dividing in my calculator. 8 divided by 32, this looks like a 0.25. So I can say, oh, 25% of the people that jog happen to do aerobics as well, okay? 24 divided by 32, that should be a 75, yeah. Okay, 13 divided by 18, that's a 72. 5 divided by 18, that should be a 28. All right, 21 divided by 50 should be a 42. Look at that. And then 29 divided by 50, 58. Okay, and if I add going straight down, I should get 1. I should get 1. And I should get 1. Okay, sound good? All right, I hope that helps.